Everybody, it's Coralie at the Arton Public Library. Next week is St. Patrick's Day, so we thought we'd do a fun little craft. So we're going to make a rainbow with a pot of gold at the end of it. So I've started my rainbow here. It's a chain, so I'll just show you how to do it. Like I said, I've already started with all my colors. Here's my last one. You just kind of loop them through and put a little bit of glue, or you could staple it, which is what I did with the rest of them, but I think glue works just fine. Just put a little bit of glue on your end, loop it through, and then just hold it there for a second so that it sets, and there's your rainbow chain. And then the next thing we're gonna do is make our pot of gold. I'm just gonna set this aside so that that piece can dry. So here's our pot of, you will have everything in your kit that you need. You'll have a pot of gold with this little strip here. This strip is important, so don't throw that out. Cut that off and put that aside. We'll show you what you will do with that. You're gonna get all the colors of the rainbow paper here, and they're all ready for you. You just need to loop them back and forth through as you make it. And then you get some little gold coins. These are for a pot of gold. So I've already started, and I've cut out my pot of gold and my coins, or my, I guess it's gold, isn't it? Not really coins. So here we're going to start doing this. So I'm just going to put some glue and kind of pile them on. And I think we each have 5 in our kit, and I think that's plenty. Although if I had a pot of gold, I think I'd want it to have a lot of gold, wouldn't you? All right, so there's my pot of gold. That's what that looks like when it's done. So now here's this strip, and this is when it's going to come in handy. So we need to turn our pot of gold over, take your strip, put one piece like this, and you're going to tape that down on the back. And then you're going to have to kind of loop it like this. Do you see what I did there? I just kind of brought it over to the other side so that I can put another piece of tape there. And that's our handle for our pot of gold. Okay, so now we're going to get our chain back. And the colors of the rainbow go like, whoops, they go red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple. So we'll try and keep it in that order because that's the order of the rainbow. So this is our bottom. So we're going to attach this to the bottom here. You could probably just glue it, but I think I'll tape it just to be sure it stays on proper. Well, maybe I will glue it. No, I think I will tape it just to make sure it's going to stay properly. So just put a little piece of tape there. And there's our rainbow with our pot of gold. But if you want to hang this up, it's not going to hang very nicely with this little loop at the top. So you each have a piece of ribbon in your kits. So just loop that through the very top one and put a little tie in it. And then you'll have a good little hanger, and you can hang this wherever you like. Maybe the pot of gold will bring us good luck and we'll get spring. Wouldn't that be nice? And there's our pot of gold. So how does that look? Does that look pretty good? I think so. Okay, and before we go, I just want to mention right now on Tuesdays, so next week at 10 o'clock in the morning, we have a viral virtual program put on by scientists in school. This one next week is called Good Clean Fun. We have 2 more coming up. One is called Art in Science, and the other one is called Sticky Science. Those 2 are at 4 o'clock. So every Tuesday, there's going to be one of these science programs. Like I said, they're virtual programs. So you come in, sign up, get a little kit that goes along with the program, and then I'll send you the link to join the program. So I hope you all come and sign up for that. That's ages 4 to 12. But I think if you're a little bit younger and a parent helps, you should be okay. All right, guys, happy St. Patrick's Day. Goodbye.